Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. So these are the colors we're going to be using today. Some of them have mediums, they're metallics, the black in the middle to separate the metallics, and I'm going to be using my Elmer's glue as a medium. So 1 part paint, 1 part Elmer's glue. The other blue already have medium, so I'll do off camera. So here we are already, and I'm going to incorporate my Elmer's glue with the paint, and now I'll be adding a little bit of water as necessary. Then I'll mix them off camera. Here we are, and because I missed my Dimethicone, I'm going to use Dimethicone today. For those of you outside of the United States who don't know what Dimethicone is, it's pretty much liquid plastic, and you can find it in these products. Lice shampoo. Make sure that it says Dimethicone in the ingredients, and this coconut hair serum. So I'm using about 3 to 4 drops of Dimethicone per color, except on the white and the black. Reason for it is because those are denser colors and they tend to sink. So metallics as well, but let's just give it a try and see what happens. I always said experimentation is half the fun. Okay, my colors are all ready, and I'm going to do 2 cups. Before I do the dirty cup, I will use 3-in-1 lubricant and smear it in my empty cup so that it will be easier for the paint to slide. So I start with the dark blue, and I'm going to build the 2 cups exactly the same way, so I'm just going to show you the first one. Then the lighter blue, which is a mix of the previous blue and the white. Then I'm going to separate them with the white before I start with the metallics. Make sure to have extra white for the canvas. Now I go with the gold, and then a little bit of black, because if I use the black next to the white, what am I gonna have? I'm just gonna have gray, and I don't want gray in my painting. And then next to the black, I'm using copper. And then I'm going to build the other cup just as the same, with the same colors. All right, here we are, and I'm just gonna drop it like this. No fear, guys, no fear. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna use the white. Remember I told you to have enough white to go around, and this is going to help the pour slide better, and that's why we do it. You can already see the Dimethicone on the left cup in there already working, and that's one of the things that I love about Dimethicone. I'm not so keen about cleaning the residue, but you know what? Something's got to give, right? It's a good product to use for pouring. So there we go. There's 1 cup, and there goes another. So with just a simple color combination, we can create something beautiful. Now, I see a lot of air bubbles, so I'm going to use my torch to burst them. And as you can see, it starts also forming some cells as I do that, which I love. I never get tired of that. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is also very important. I learned this from Julie Cuts, is since the paint seems to hang out in the middle and the center of the canvas, then I push with my fist to help spread the paint a little bit better, just to help it spread, just like that. Check it out. And now I'm going to help it with a little bit of white on top, again to help it slide. This is the process where we need to be patient. It's what many of us are lack of, but it's necessary. So there we go. See, from the bottom, I use my fist to try to help the paint stretch from the bottom. And then I start to tilt very, very carefully. Because what happens is, yes, I have seen people who just try to tilt immediately. But when I have tried to do that, I totally destroy my cells, and I don't like to do that. I like my cells on top. So if you are successful with tilting at once and tilting it fast, let me know what your experience is. But I always encourage, as I do, and it is to do it slowly. We can't rush art. And yeah, I just share my experience with you guys. See, I love that copper. I love metallics. Okay, there we go. Another corner. Successfully done. I have to be honest, I'm not so keen about that bunch of black in there, so I'm gonna have to probably do something about it. But right now I'm just focused on getting that paint tilted and tilted it enough that it's not gonna crack on me when it dries. So there you go. See, does it look beautiful or does it look beautiful, guys? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So if this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, don't forget to give me a like and share with others so that everybody can benefit from one another's experiences. I am going to continue using my torching here. As you can see, now the black doesn't look that black anymore. Now we see some bubbles in that area, on some cells, little cells, but at least it's not pitch dark black. And it's looking beautiful, guys. I'm loving it. I am going to find a spot in here to use my glitter. In the meantime, I'd invite you, if you haven't yet, to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. There you go. It's nice and dry. And see, I told you I found a spot to put my glitter in. If you don't like it, then it's easy. Don't do it. But I like it that way. I'm seeing which way it would look better. I honestly like it any way. So I do like my sea star in there, my starfish right there. So give it a try, guys. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.